In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit packing slip on Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and navigating to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. This is where Shopify groups the templates that control documents like packing slips. Scroll down until you see the packing slip section and click Edit Template. Depending on your theme or Shopify version, the button might simply say Edit, but it opens the same template editor. Before you make any changes, create a backup. Select all of the existing code in the template editor, copy it, and paste it into a plain text document on your computer. Notepad, TextEdit, or any code editor will do. Keeping this copy lets you restore the original if something unexpected happens, so don't skip it. When you're ready to edit, consider the two most common customizations: adding a logo and adding a custom note. If you want a logo, first upload your image to Shopify's files by going to Settings, then Files. After uploading, copy the file URL. Back in the templated editor, replace the store name section with an image tag. For example, use and adjust width or height attributes as needed. A tip here is to keep the file optimized for print. Keep the dimensions and file size modest so the packing slip prints cleanly. To add a thank you message or any custom note, locate the footer area of the template. This is usually toward the end of the code. Insert your text there, keeping it short and friendly. You can wrap it in paragraph tags, and you can use HTML for simple styling like italics or line breaks. If you need to remove or change the store address, look for Shop Address Summary in the template. Deleting that line removes the address display, or you can replace it with your own text or a different liquid variable. Be careful not to remove other necessary order details. For tailoring the content shown on the packing slip, use Shopify's liquid variables. Variables like order.name and customer.shippingaddress let you pull in order numbers and shipping details dynamically. Use them where appropriate to ensure each slip shows the right information. When you've finished editing, use the Preview Template button to check how the slip looks for a sample order, then click Save Changes. After saving, print or preview a test order from different browsers or devices to confirm formatting and images render correctly. If anything looks off, restore your backup and try again.